Hi, I am Dr. Ajay Ingde, Senior Rehabilitation Specialist, LN Dental, Banjarel branch. So, guys, today we are going to talk about full mouth rehabilitation. The basic idea behind the full mouth rehabilitation is most of the time patient neglect dental issues for long period of time. Because of that, their dental issues get accumulated over the period of time, one by one. So when the patient feel a severe pain, then patient visit a dental center, and then when we see into the patient's mouth, then there are lot of multiple issues we diagnose, like dental caries, like missing teeth, mobile teeth, periodontal problems, gum issues, missing teeth, so like that. So once we see multiple dental issues into a patient's mouth, we have to treat such patient in a single stage, so that in a single stage only patients can properly rehabilitate its smile, aesthetic, and its functional mastication aspect. So that is the main idea behind full mouth rehabilitation. So what we basically do when the patient visits dental clinic, he either has some missing teeth, like here you can see some missing teeth are there on left side, right side, both sides there are missing teeth. On his lower side also there are missing teeth, some teeth are mobile. So what we try to do is we try to diagnose what are the dental issues in the oral cavity, and then according to the issues we try to plan a proper treatment plan for that particular patient, and accordingly we try to treat that patient in a single stage, so that we can deal all the issue at once, like that. So there are possibilities that patient has a missing tooth. So there either we can advise patient a single replacement implant. That is one of the advanced procedure right now, which is very well established, and it is totally painless, and it will be a long term solution for the single tooth replacement or the multiple tooth replacement. Or we can advise patient a dental bridge. A dental bridge is something in which we can take support of two adjacent teeth, like this, and we place the bridge, so that we can rehabilitate that area. Sometime there will be a case sometime that patient don't have any teeth into his or her oral cavity, or maybe the teeth which are having are useless, like they are totally mobile with a grade 3 mobility, or they are periodontally compromised. In that case we cannot take support from the same tooth, so we have to take another option of removal of all the teeth which are present, and then place an implant. Implant is an advanced procedure for the replacement of the dentition. So we have multiple options for full mouth rehabilitation with the implant, like we try to do it all on 4 or all on 6, or sometime all on 8 also. All on 4 is something that we place 4 implants on upper and lower jaw, and then place a fixed denture, fixed dentition on those implants by using those implants, and those implants will be tightened with the screw, so that it can be a kind of permanent solution for the patient, so that patient don't need to change their dentures, discomfort will be lesser, and they will live their life as before as they were young. So we try to rehabilitate that way, so that patient's overall aesthetic will also change, patient's overall mastication, biting issues will be dealt with those implants. Another option is all on 6. All on 6 is the same procedure in which we use 6 implant in place of 4 implants. It depends totally on the patient's jaw. It is not just we use 6 implant and 4 implant. No, it is not like that. we try to diagnose and plan according to the patient's bone structure, facial aesthetic, his bone availability. According to that only we plan how many implants to be placed in which jaw, upper or lower. Sometimes we need to place 8 implant also. Sometimes there is a possibility that there will be no bone. So in the recent advancement we have some German technology in which we try to use the zygoma, this area, zygomatic bone on both sides. We place implant in that bone, and by taking that support we can place implant even if there is no availability of bone. In that case also we can rehabilitate patients aesthetic, patient dentition. We can replace that with the help of modern technologies. So the overall idea of the full mouth rehabilitation is either taking support from the tooth only by getting the treatment like root canal procedures, by preparing the crowns and then placing over the crowns like this. So like this we can place the crown and rehabilitate the patient's mouth. So that we can deal multiple issues at the same time, okay? Or the same procedure we can do even if the patient don't have teeth. In that case we will use implant. By using implant we can rehabilitate with implant supported prosthesis like this. You can see here, this is an implant. We have placed the 2 implants here and then place a bridge like this. So this way we can provide a proper dentition to a patient who has lost hope of being able to eat properly, being able to look properly, being lost his confidence due to his or her dentition. Because most of the time patient don't come to the dentist out of social stigma also. So at Helion Dental we try to do planned and proper executed treatment, so that once patients are out of our clinics they can feel very nice about their dentition. They can show their teeth to the world and they can have any kind of food they wanted. Yes, thank you.